If you're seeing the AnyDesk error status desk RT32, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you two simple fixes that can help get AnyDesk working again. This issue is often caused by Windows Firewall blocking the app, or by Windows Security's ransomware protection stopping AnyDesk from accessing the files it needs. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, we're going to check Windows Defender Firewall. Click the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it from the results, and then on the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This is where Windows controls which apps are allowed to communicate through the firewall. Next, click Change Settings. You may need administrator privileges for this step, so if Windows asks for permission, go ahead and allow it. Once the list is unlocked, scroll through the apps until you find AnyDesk. When you see it, make sure both the private and public checkboxes are ticked. This is important because if AnyDesk is blocked on either network type, it may throw the desk RT32 error when trying to connect. After both boxes are checked, click OK to save the changes. Then restart your computer. A restart helps Windows apply the firewall update properly and gives AnyDesk a clean start when you open it again. If the error is still there after restarting, the next thing to check is your anti-ransomware settings. Sometimes Windows Security is a little too strict and blocks AnyDesk's essential files, especially if controlled folder access is enabled. To fix that, open Windows Security. You can find it by searching in the Windows search bar, just like before. Once it opens, click Virus and Threat Protection. Then scroll down until you see Ransomware Protection and click Manage Ransomware Protection. Inside that section, look for controlled folder access and toggle it off. This feature is designed to protect your files, but in some cases it can interfere with remote access tools like AnyDesk. Turning it off can remove the block that's causing the desk RT32 error. After changing that setting, go back and try launching AnyDesk again. In many cases, the app will connect normally once firewall access and ransomware protection are adjusted correctly. If you still have trouble, double-check that AnyDesk is fully installed and that you're using the latest version. Also, make sure Windows updates are completed because outdated security settings can sometimes cause connection problems. But in most cases, the two steps in this video are enough to solve the issue. So to quickly recap, first allow AnyDesk through Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public networks, then adjust Windows Security by turning off controlled folder access if needed. Those two fixes solve the desk RT32 error for many users. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.